Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to invite someone on MEXC. To invite someone to MEXC and earn potential referral rewards, go ahead and open up your MEXC application first and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, click on your profile icon at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, look for the referral label and tap on it. In the referral section, you should see your unique referral code or your link, which you can copy by tapping on the copy button right next to it. Once you copy your referral link, send the referral link to your friends via messaging apps, emails, or social media. Once you share your referral link to your friends, and when your friends sign up using this link or code, you will both be eligible for rewards based on MEXC's referral program. By following this step, you can easily invite others to MEXC and potentially earn referral rewards. So that's how you easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.